Can your social media posts ruin your medical malpractice case? Well, the short answer is yes, but here's the longer answer. When you bring a medical malpractice lawsuit, or any personal injury lawsuit for that matter, you're putting your physical state, your mental state, all at issue. And that means that in a case of medical malpractice, usually you're going to be claiming some sort of physical harm that's causing you to have permanent injury, probably a loss of your ability to do your job in the way that you used to do it at all, and your emotional state, how you feel about having a lifetime injury. And that's part of the medical malpractice lawsuit. But I've had so many instances where people on social media post about everything in their lives, where they're going, what they're doing, family reunions, parties, and many times what they're saying in the medical malpractice lawsuit doesn't match up to what they're posting on social media. So you can imagine that if you're saying one thing in a lawsuit, but your social media posts are saying something different, how that can be very damaging to your case. So please be very careful on your social media posts. Well, if you bring a medical malpractice lawsuit, you can bet that the attorney for the other side is going to ask for a document production or subpoena your social media posts. And they're allowed to do that. That's not your private posts. They're allowed to see everything that you've posted. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. They'll have access to all of that. So if you think you're going to hide something, you're not. So when you're bringing a medical malpractice lawsuit or any type of personal injury lawsuit, you have to be very careful, because you need to make sure that what you're claiming in the lawsuit is not different than what you're posting on social media.